So you're going to get into the Mblockly app and choose the Mbot. And this will take you through a sequence and teach you how to code with the Mbot. Um, and so students can learn. I can connect to my Mbot later. But they can go through this process, and it's easier if you connect to the Mbot to it. And they'll go through a series of learning about sequencing loops. And so it will self teach them how to do that. And they also can go um, into the app and actually start coding if they want to. So they can pull over new blocks. It looks similar to the Make Block coding program, but again, it's teaching kids how to do it. And I can connect to my Mbot. Um, Up here, I would just connect it wireless or connect it through Wi-Fi. So when the Mbot is turned on, you can connect and it'll look for your Mbot when it's turned on and it will connect to the robot. And then you're able to start the programming. So this is what the Mblockly app looks like. So if you're wanting to use this because you have a MacBook or an iPad or an iPhone, you can use this. And it works on a MacBook as well. You can download this app as well, but it just does not work on a Chromebook. So this is something that you might use as examples to show kids how to code, or you can put it up on the screen and kids could follow along in the Make Block program. But this is what the M Blockly app looks like.